May we call on Tons Remulla for his question?
Good day, Senator. Good day, Congresswoman. My question is for Congresswoman Leni Robredo. You recently claimed that you achieved in Naga what was achieved in Davao without resorting to violence. Are you saying that your brand of leadership is better than that in Davao?
Ako aayusin ko lang yung... I would want to set the record straight. When that interview was conducted, yung tanong, am I in favor of an ironclad Duterte-style leadership? Yung aking sagot doon, hindi. Kasi sa Naga, participatory kami at inclusive at marami naman kami na-achieve. I never made any mention of Davao. I never made any mention of comparing Naga with Davao. I was just referring to the kind of leadership. And I stand by what I said. Sa Naga, marami kaming na-achieve. Very inclusive, very participatory. Lahat na tao, binibigyan ng upuan sa lamesa. Lahat na boses, pinapakinggan. Lahat na tao, inaaya na lumahok sa pamumuno. At yung sa amin sa Naga, marami kaming na-achieve from a very critical constituency na convert yung aming constituency into a very collaborative one. Masaya kami sa nangyari sa Naga, but I was not comparing Naga with anyone else. Sinasabi ko lang na naniniwala ako sa iba-iba naman yung approaches. Iba-iba yung approaches ng style of leadership. Hindi natin pinupuna yung ibang klaseng estilo kasi kanya-kanya naman yon. Pwede mo ma-achieve ang kahit ano na iba naman yung ginagawa mo. But the question was kung sang-ayon ako sa ganun, and yung aking sagot, hindi, kasi yung nasubukan namin sa Naga worked for us.
Thank you very much.